Perpetual check, also known as continuous check, is a tactical maneuver where we repeatedly attack the enemy king, preventing its escape, yet without the possibility of delivering checkmate. The primary objective is not to gain material advantage or to deliver checkmate, but rather to force a draw by compelling your opponent to accept a repetition of moves. It stands as one of the most crucial tactical resources available for saving games that appear to be compromised. Let's imagine a position where our king is safe, but the enemy has a material advantage and threatens a decisive combination. Our queen begins a series of checks from the 8th and 7th ranks, constantly attacking the enemy king. The king cannot move to any safe square, and no piece can effectively interpose itself. The continuous attack forces the opponent to repeat their moves. It is perpetual check. The game ends in a draw after 3 repetitions of the same movements. In this example, black delivers checkmate in just one move to the white king on b2, using the queen. The game will end immediately if no action is taken. To save the game, white can resort to perpetual check, a strategic maneuver that forces a draw. We observe that the black king is practically confined to the white diagonals, and the rook completely dominates the f-file. The strategy involves moving the bishop to f5, delivering a check. If the black king then moves to h7, the bishop returns to f6, delivering another check, and the king goes back to h8. We repeat this exact sequence: bishop to f5, king to h7, bishop to f6, king to h8, to create a perpetual check, thus achieving a draw by repetition of moves. This tactical resource allows us to save the game when facing a strong checkmate threat from black. Perpetual check usually appears when we have less material, but the position allows us to attack the enemy king's area. It is a defensive pattern that requires precision and careful calculation to maintain the sequence without making any errors. This resource shows how initiative can turn into defense. When you realize your king is safe and you can constantly attack your opponent, look for the check sequence that ensures equality. Practice these patterns until you recognize them in seconds. BlackChess Academy, the best chess training.